Interesting little John Deere.
I just want to watch what Yeah, that's what I thought he did. He run the spindle up through other ways. Oh yeah, keep it more support.
There you go, look at that. Nice little seat and wagon. Some cute little deers. This is the electric lift 112. Look at that. Oh, look at the ribbon and everything they won. Beautiful seat. Some little deers. Oh, look at that. Buy Maine potatoes, support Maine florists, Maine grown strawberries, blueberries, apple, more milk jugs, antique milk jugs. Cool. Nothing runs like a deer. That's the truth. That's a cute little wagon to go around. Get the crops from the field and strawberries from the strawberry field and stuff. Get a canopy so you can take people around, just drive around and everything and get shaded nicely.
It's 1,000 off.
Some nice ribbons there.
Uses that as a support.
Look at that. All the extra pins.
We'll bolt it on, ain't they?
Well, yeah, nice.
Maybe you can bolt it on.
Oh, look at the little can down there.
I think that's what this is. That one there looks like that come off of
Oh, look at that. Some little birdies up there.
Looks like the end of the past thousand has been cut off.
All right.
Yeah.
I hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. It's just cute. Nice little farm machinery here. Get rides, get crops from their garden. Take them to the vegetable stand.
I don't think it'd be real hot.
There you go. Bye-bye now.